Today we're gonna work on something on my car, and before that, of course, coffee. It's like a complimentary thing when you're gonna work on your car, on your bike. Well, at least for me. So let's see what we're gonna work on today. So if you have a passenger or a girlfriend that sleeps a lot, you will know that the Recaro bucket seat for the Ford Focus RS is not the ideal seat for the passenger, especially if they sleep a lot. So which is why today's changes or upgrade will actually be the aftermarket seat, which will be easier to recline back instead of the knob on the Recaro Sportster CS. So this is the seat that I ordered from NKW. I don't know if you can see or not. Hopefully you can. This is how the seat looks like, but anyways, I'll show you again once we bolt it on to the car. We will see how it goes in terms of the fitting, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do it successfully. Although today I only have the base plate for the left hand side, which is at least good because it's for my girlfriend who sleeps a lot, and I will upgrade my side when I receive the base plate. Starting with removing the stock seat, let's go. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna remove this Torx bolt. So we just need the T50 Torx bolt, and we'll start removing. See you guys later after everything is removed. Apparently there's also some electrical things that you need to unplug here. So first of all, from this one, I think I will need to transfer this over, maybe to the other ones, but we'll see. And also the seat belt as well. Alright, I'll get to work. Alright, so I'm actually here at Bunnings. Some hiccup along the way. There are some, well, I didn't prepare well enough, and we are lacking of some bolts, nuts and Loctite. Hence I'm here in Bunnings to grab some, and we are heading back to fix the chair onto the car, and hopefully we're all done. See ya when I'm back to where the chair is. So unfortunately there are some further complications other than the missing bits and pieces from the installation. The base mounting plate, unfortunately there is one of the mounting point that doesn't fit the OEM setting, so I requested for a return and refund, and I ordered a base plate from another company. So once they arrive, fingers crossed there will be no more issue this time, and further updates until then. Thank you for watching, and catch you next time.